Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty uh, Modern Warfare 2 DirectX error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and after that go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates, and if you find any update here just download it and install it, and then go back and now click here and go to device manager and go to display adapters, right click on the first one, update, and then search automatically for drivers and do the same thing to the next one. After that restart your PC, and after starting your PC open task manager, and now just close all the applications that you will find here and also the background applications that you don't need and you know what they do, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.